Hello, welcome to my house, welcome to my channel. I'm very excited to have all of you again here in my house. Look, today I'm going to show you how you can make the complete set of this baby jacket. Remember, several months ago I showed you how you can make this beautiful jacket. If you haven't watched this video, well, I will share it here. Today I'm going to show you how you can make these beautiful baby shoes to now complete the set. In other video I show you how you can make the blanket with the same material of this one. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can make those pairs of shoes, making a match with this beautiful jacket and with the blanket. Remember that I will share the links over here in the description box where you can find these videos. I will use the material that I have left from the blanket and a crochet hook of number 4. Well, so let's start, and we are also going to need an embroidery needle and a ribbon. Remember that if you want to buy and use the same materials that I use in all my videos, you can visit my online store www.lauracepeda.es. Well, with one thread of this medium material, we are going to make the insole. We are going to start from the bottom and we are going to make 30 chains with our crochet hook. Look, I'm going to make the chains like this. So from here I'm going to start counting 30. Chain 1, grab your yarn, skip 1, and here we are going to start making single crochet with a loop. I don't know if this is the correct term, but like this. Grab your yarn and single crochet. And like this, the 30 stitches. Remember that if you make 30 chains, you must have 30. At the end of the row, turn around, chain 1, and we are going to make the same stitch that we made in the last row. Like this, all the stitches, remember that we must have 30. Well, at the end of this row, chain 1, and now we are going to start making the same stitch that we were making before, but now we are only going to crochet 10. 3. Well, now that we finished the 10, we are going to make 10 single crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Turn around, and now we are going to grab the stitches and we are going to hold it in the hook like this. We are going to take the 10 single crochets that we made before. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Insert your hook here. Take 1, then bring 2 together, 2 together, 2, 2, and the last 2. Turn around, slip 1, take 1, turn around, and we are going to repeat the same. We are going to make the bridge of our shoe, okay? So we are going to hold the stitches like this. We are going to take 1 from the chain and 1 from this hole, and like this until we have 10. 1 here, 1 in the chain, then 1 in this little hole here, and like this until we have 10. Now take 1 stitch from here, and we are going to start taking. First we are going to take 1, then we are going to bring together 2, and like this all the stitches, then 2, 2 together, and then the last 2, and here we are going to close the row, slipping 1. Take 1 more, and we are going to repeat. Well, we are going to repeat this series 4 times. We have 2, now we have to make 2 more. Look, here I finished the 4 series and we have something like this. Now we are going to make the mesh stitch where we are going to put the ribbon. We are going to make the mesh small, okay? So make the double crochets of 2 crochets, like this. Skip one and here. Now take the other part of this shoe. We are going to skip this one and here we are going to continue. Don't worry, we are going to sew this later. So now here, insert your hook and make the the double crochet of 2 crochets. And skip one and again. And we are going to continue like this the whole row. I love making this kind of garments because with just few material you are going to create something beautiful. If you have a gift to gift, and or if you are going to be a grandma soon, or if you are going to have a baby, or you have to make these shoes to sell, well, I think it's an amazing opportunity, an amazing idea, because as I said before, with just few material that you have left from projects before, you can use it and make these beautiful shoes. Also, remember that I donate some jackets. Well, you can donate these shoes too for babies that doesn't have something to wear. I think that it's an amazing idea and a beautiful action to make. So I'm going to count how many mesh I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we must have 9. Now we are going to repeat the same stitch that we made for the jacket, that it was this one. I'm making the same stitch to have the complete set, but if you are going to make a different jacket, well, I suggest that you use the same stitch that you use in that jacket in this shoe, in the same shoe. But well, go up with 3 chains, then 1 double crochet, 3 chains. We are going to make 3 double crochets inside this hole, like this. I also use this stitch in the blanket, and I'm going to insert the hook here over each mesh, over each double crochet. So here, and if I have 9, so I must have 9 like this one. Well, let's continue. Well, at the end of the row, we are going to insert our hook here to continue with the sequence. Look here, so we will finish here. Now slip 1, slip 2, go up with go up with 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and insert your hook here. Single crochet, 3 chains, and again. We are going to repeat this the whole row. We almost finished our shoe. Well, at the end of the row, slip 1 to close, chain 1, and with this we will finish. Now, to give a final touch, we are going to make 1 row of crab stitch. It's the single crochet but backwards. Look how it looks. So I'm going to show you how. I will do it slowly so you can see. We are going to make 2 in each hole, 1, 2, and like this the whole row. Slip 1 to close the row, like this, then chain 1, and with this we will finish. Cut your thread. I have a very small scissors. I couldn't find mine. Well, pull, and now this thread we are going to hide it through all this project, and with this we are going to make sure that our shoe won't undo. Now With this ribbon I choose this color because I want to complete the set, but you can leave it like that, but I suggest that you put this ribbon to give a final touch. If you are going to make a gift, well, this is a beautiful idea, but before we are going to sew in this part with the same thread like this, we are going to take one stitch from here, make a knot, and also be careful and try to take the thread from the same color from you are going to sew. Okay, I'm going to use the eye of my embroidery needle because with this you won't damage the threads of the yarn. So this is a tip that I give you, this is a secret. I always use the eye of the needle. Well, we are going to take one stitch from here and one from the other side. With this we are not going to create any pleat, and this is like an invisible stitch. So look, finished to sew also the insole, and now what we have left it's to adorn this beautiful shoe. I'm going to use this ribbon. Remember that I told you that I tried to use the same color of my shoe to create the set. So we are going to take the tip of the ribbon and we are going to bring them through like this, through the mesh. I think that this is a beautiful detail, and if you are going to sell it, well, it's a beautiful presentation. And also if you are going to make a gift, well, I think that they will really appreciate that you take this, that you make this from them. And well, this we will finish. What do you think? It is so easy and it's so fast, and with just few material that you have left from previous projects, you can create this. You can put it in a box with a beautiful rice paper and it will look beautiful. Well, now with the scissors cut, and we are going to make a bow. And with this we'll be finished. Look. Remember that you can complete this set with the jacket and with the blanket that I made in previous videos. I will leave it in the description box. I will leave the links where you can find these videos to complete your set. I'm sure you will love it. And please, if you make this project, please take a picture and tag me. I would love to see you making this project. And with this, we're finished. Well, so what do you think? Remember that we made the jacket, then the blanket, and now we finish with these little shoes. And with this we'll finish the material that we have. Remember that we have left this material from the blanket, and with that few material we've made the shoe. So now we have the complete set, and now you have the complete gift if you are going to a baby shower, or if you are going to be a grandma soon, or if you are going to be a mother, if you are going to have a baby soon. Well, you can make this, and I'm sure that your baby will look beautiful. Remember that also you can donate to the local hospitals where you live, and it will be an amazing action and amazing thing to do. Well, remember that if you are going to make this project, please take a picture and tag me. I love you to see you making these projects. Please let me your comments and more ideas. And well, if you live in the United States, I will be very soon in Denver and the next year in 2020. Soon I will give you all the details. Please follow my social media. Well, I will give you all the details, the dates and the place where I will be, but I will be in Denver, that's for sure, the next year in 2020. I hope I can meet you there. I hope I can see you there. I will bring different breaks that I have in my mind. And please, if you have more breaks like this one, if you have more ideas, please send me your ideas to the email address tejiamigas@gmail.com. And also remember that if you have a favorite celebrity look that it's made of crochet or knit, please send me your breaks there. No, share this video if you like. Thank you so much and see you.